Hello YouTube, I am here today to do a little review on the Mud Skipper Longtail 7-horse kit with a 6.6 horse Harbor Freight Predator 224cc engine. This is my first one of these longtails, and I'm here on a 12-foot boat. Got 2 people, get full gas can. Probably about less than 500 pounds of cargo. Just a 12-foot john boat out here in the flats. Just gonna, pretty happy with it. At idle, it holds a really good trolling speed. The one problem I have is you gotta hang on to it, but that's a longtail. But cruises around no problem. Probably got up to about 15 maybe. Doesn't really mind the mud, obviously. Can romper around all good, and not trying to disturb them swans, but I would like to try to go through some of this ice over here. Not sure how thick this ice is. We're gonna find out. Oh, she does not like ice. Well, that is my short review of the 2-piece 7.5 horse longtail. Turtle! Back today for a part 2 review on the Mud Skipper Longtail. This is my 15-foot flat bottom aluminum. I just dropped a couple people off. Was not doing too well with the extra weight, but with me and maybe one other person, especially she cooked, we got custom exhaust on there. I haven't painted it yet, but Nice little cruiser. Trying to make a quieter exhaust. Probably needs to be a little quieter, but so far so good. Considered the 1 year review for the Mud Skipper Longtail motor. I have just over 14 hours on this, and I've kind of done a little bit of everything with it. Got a little paint job on it. Right now I have the 8-inch prop, and I can get about 18 miles an hour. Let's see. Here's about top speed.